Bruh, there's a Bruh, you should have looked at that. Bruh, Vicky, there's about to be a... I'm coming. Did you seriously just went out there?
This is what's falling.
Can I go get some? We're gonna go get, look. Where are they? Oh, I can see, I think. Where are they?
Look near my barbecue there.
Bruh. This is what my grandma found. Like, let's try and hold them. Bruh.
What could you call hail?
Vicky, look. The white stuff. Vicky, the white stuff.
Oh my god.
Bruh, look at
Flooding the road.
Bruh. Bruh, it's flooding the road. Like, we're gonna die here.
We're gonna die here.
My dad said
You're gonna die here and die to
My
grandma.
dad said go swimming.
Yeah.
Me ain't going swimming in there. I don't about to die. I'm full. Bruh. Alright, I'm gonna show them one more little tape of it. Try and recall her. Keaton. Guys, we're gonna sit right here because I'm pretty scared. Bro, look at that. Oh, guys, I'm gonna get a nice view, okay? Bruh.
There's a flood in my grandma's backyard.
Yo, bro, it's almost over the thing. We're like, it's almost over the thing, Vicky. Bro, like, I took a YouTube channel of it. Look, Vicky, you can show Keaton. Bruh, but guys, look on this side. There's like barely a flood. Like, barely. Vicky, Mommy, there's not a flood on the other side. Right beside your barbecue, there isn't a flood. Bro, guys, there's not even a flood right there. That's impossible. Okay, bro, this. Whoa. Huh?
It's lightning. Get inside.
I'm out of here, bruh. Someone, I'm walking to my mom's.
You have to evacuate.
No, don't send messages.
I told my dad to go swimming.
Bro, look in the front.
Who wants some mango? Get a mango and watermelon?
Yeah, me. I'm full.
I want some mango.
McTango. Bruh, we're gonna make another video, so yeah.